What's up, guys? Welcome to East County Garage. Today I'm hanging out with a lot of people, but currently I'm with my boy Dylan and Chewy and Dino. It's Vex Dino. And we're gonna be doing some fun stuff tonight. We're gonna be meeting up with Kyle, Randy, and Jake with the M3, and we're gonna be doing some just cool steel wheel photography. So thought while we're doing it, might as well record. So get a cool shot of all the cars and just have some fun hooning around. You hyped? You hyped? Guys, so we just finished up washing the cars and we're back at Dino's house right now. We're squatting up. We got both Miatas, the M3, the Infiniti. Randy's filming me and I'm filming myself. It's like, what? But anyways, right now we're just getting the Grom. We're gonna go to our first photo location. So everyone's turned. All right, so we're parked up at the first spot. It's looking mean. Whew. We're about to do some steel photography. How you doing now?
Did you have like an E46 Black Rooster?
How you doing?
Oh yeah, good. You?
I'm doing good. Your car sounds so good, Jake. Whew. This is gonna be a sick shot too. And it's well lit enough that I think it'll come out well because you'll still be able to see the cars and not only the steel wool. All right, guys. So we got them all lined up in the final position for our first shot here, and we're getting our steel wool ready. How you doing, Kyle?
Yeah, good.
Randy's getting the shot set up and I'm ruining it. Are you guys hyped? It doesn't look that cool in person, but when you see the photo, oh yeah.
It's back on, bro.
All right, so Chewy's on his way out right now. He's got to go home. Dino's about to leave in a minute too.
I don't know, I might stay.
You gotta stay. It'll be so fun, dude. There you go. Randy's staying because he's Randy, dude. Randy is our resident photographer. Hey, dude's gonna rush. No.
Should have read it.
Do a peel.
Burn out. He's done it before. Oh, he's gonna do it. Yes.
Oh shit. Hell yeah.
He's gonna burn his clutch.
Yeah, woo! Brother. Yeah, brother.
Let's get some food. So we're at location number 2, which is pretty neat. I'm gonna hand Kyle the camera.
Oh fuck yeah! I'm gonna shake your camera angles now, bro. All right.
It'd be so much more easier. There it is.
Oh god damn it! I missed it. God damn it, Jake.
With the Crystal Pepsi.
Come on.
This is
dude.
like a limited edition bottle.
Exactly. You can never fucking find it.
Ah. This is super good. I like. It's clear. It's clear. I'm drinking Sprite. Drinking Sprite.
Do it again. Do it again. Come on.
Yep.
Yeah.